Adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. A fraction is a number that represents some part of something, like a pizza, that has been divided into equal-sized parts. A pizza might be divided into 8 equal-sized slices. Each pizza slice here is 1/8 of the whole pizza. We can write this with fractional notation as 1/8. The denominator is the number on the bottom of a fraction. It tells us how many equal parts we are dividing the whole into. In this case, the pizza is divided into 8 parts. The top number, the numerator, tells us how many of those parts we are talking about. In this case, we are talking about 1 slice of the pizza, so the numerator is 1. It's important to remember that in a fraction, each part is the same size. Now that we've got our pizza all sliced up, it's time to divvy it up. Bob, Charles, and Joe are going to share this pizza. Bob gets 1 slice of the 8 slices. Charles gets 2 slices of the 8 slices. And Joe gets 3 slices of the 8 slices. There are 2 slices left, which go into the fridge for later. Bob's share of the pizza is 1 piece out of the 8, or 1/8. Charles's share is 2 of the 8 pieces, or 2/8. And Joe's is 3 slices of the 8 pieces, or 3/8. The 2 pieces of the 8 that are left are in the fridge. That's 2/8. All 8 slices of the pizza are accounted for. We know that if we added up all these fractions, we'd get 8/8. And because any number over itself is 1, we have 1 whole pizza. Now, let's look at the numerators of these fractions. 1, 2, 3, and 2. Add them all together, and we get 8 slices. This works because all the fractions here have the same denominator. And that's the key to adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. When adding fractions with the same denominator, we add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. But what about subtraction? Here's some leftover pizza from another pizza party. There are 5 pieces left, or 5/8. Maria eats 2 slices, which is 2/8. And Jill eats 1 slice, which is 1/8. So now we have 2/8 of the pizza to put back in the fridge to eat another day. Unless Joe finds it first. Let's try a different problem. One with both addition and subtraction. 2/5 plus 3/5 minus 1/5. Note that the denominators are all the same, 5. So we can get our answer by adding and subtracting the numerators. And the denominator will stay the same. We can rewrite the problem like this. So, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then subtract 1, which leaves us with 4. So the answer is 4/5. Here's our rule. When adding or subtracting fractions with the same denominator, add or subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same.